Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and today I'm participating in the Dollar Tree $5 DIY Valentine's 2019 challenge hosted by two of my good friends, Lauri from Creative Lauri and Bea from Bum Bea DIYs. And they wanted us to spend $5 on the Dollar Tree. Over here I don't have a Dollar Tree, but Lauri was kind enough and let me buy on my local dollar store. So I spent $5. I bought this ribbon, I bought this wreath form with pink tinsel, I bought this beautiful ornament that says kiss on the inside, and I bought this flowers. And we're gonna create a wreath, but we're not using this tinsel. So let's get started. Now we're gonna take off all the tinsel garland and we're gonna start adding our ribbon by adding it to the top part and gluing it secure to the beginning of our wreath shape. And then we're gonna tie it all around, but really tight around our heart shape. We're gonna add some hot glue every couple of inches to secure it. We're going to continue wrapping it all around our heart shape, tighten it and adding hot glue when necessary. And then when we get to the pointy part of our heart, we're going to grab it and pinch it and add some hot glue so we can have that pointy shape on the bottom part of our wreath. And then continue wrapping until you get to the end of your ribbon, add some hot glue, secure it, cut the remaining. Now we pinch it in the bottom part so we get that pointy side of our heart really showing. We're going to add our ornament by tying it around the top part of our heart shape, and I would recommend you that you do that before you add all of the ribbon around because that was really hard. Then we add some hot glue and glue it. Now we're going to continue wrapping our ribbon around our heart shape. First we secure it and then we start flipping and adding and rolling and adding more hot glue to all of our wreath. When we get to the center, we're going to add that final lap. And then we're gonna glue it and cut the remaining. That's how it looks. So cute. And now we're gonna add our flowers, our roses. We're gonna cut the bottom part, add lots of hot glue, and put it in the center so we can cover that bald space. We're gonna continue by adding the leaves from the roses scattered all around, and we're going to continue adding all of our roses. They will be added to the left part of our wreath, and we're going to insert some leaves every now and then to cover the empty spaces. It's looking so cute. I'm so in love right now. But we're going to continue adding our leaves and our flowers until we have all of the flowers put on our wreath. That's how it looks. So cute. This is how it turned out. As you can see, it turned out beautifully. I only spent $1 on the wreath frame, $1 on the flowers, $2 on the ribbon I have here, and 50 cents on the ornament in the center because I only used one of those. I just want to take this opportunity to thank Lauri from Creative Lauri and Bea from Bum Bea DIYs for bringing us this awesome challenge. I love what I created and for letting me participate in it even though I don't have a Dollar Tree in my country. So remember, in the description box down below I'm going to leave you the playlist to this challenge and also to both of our host channel. And remember, if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching these type of videos. Take care. Bye-bye.